I think a big motivation for most engineers, especially engineering researchers, is to have the thing they have thought up, the thing that's new, used by someone else. And there are several routes to that. You could go join a big company and they will hire you because they are looking for talent, they're looking for people with ideas, and they may well take it forward. But if you want a bit more control, so you can really make sure that people understand what it is you've come up with that's really going to make a difference, and hopefully might even make a difference to your bank account, then I'd seriously think about go try becoming an entrepreneur. It's a fun journey. In terms of where the opportunities are for technology going ahead, right, Moore's Law itself is dying, and it's very interesting the way that people have mapped out that gain in compute power going way back to the very early pre-1900s. You can track very much that linear curve that Moore's Law then took up through the semiconductor age. And really the demand is there for someone to come up with, so what is the twist that's going to make the difference this time? It's not going to be CMOS, probably now. So we've run out of atoms. So come up with a different idea. And one of the things that Europe has been strong on has been computer architectures. And right now, with the advances in AI, machine learning and things like that, if you take a look at the compute architectures that are being applied there, they're very different and very specialized and very open to someone coming up with the next big idea. And if Europe wants to establish itself as the technology power again, then it really has to look at areas like that, which are going to be applied all over the world. So I certainly would be looking at new novel compute architectures and what impacts they can have on accelerating particular algorithms that are coming out of other areas of the research. The first thing I'd see is go find a customer with a problem. Usually a lot of research is a solution looking for a problem. And the big difference comes when the solution finds the problem. So a piece of that is understanding your potential customers, understanding what is really driving them and what you can bring to solve that and make a difference. And if you can bring that together, that really changes the world. The other piece is find a team. Very few companies are formed by a single person, right? Even Steve Jobs had Wozniak. That was a team. You need more than one mind looking at things. So definitely go find a team, go find a customer, and then go find someone else with a little bit of money who is convincible that you also have a good idea. If I was pitching to a potential investor, the first thing I'd pitch would be the market opportunity. So where are the customers who have this problem? How many are there? And what kind of money do they want to spend on solving that problem? That's the first piece. And that's the first piece an investor will look at. What's the opportunity in market terms? The next piece would be, so what's the team that's going to solve that problem? If you look at most companies' business plans, especially in the early stages, they are works of creative fiction. They very rarely pan out the way that they said they would. And as an investor, you're looking at a team that can adjust as the bumps come, as the life doesn't quite work out the way you said, or as the opportunity moves. Can they ride those bumps? Can they have the flexibility, the experience to come up with something different? And then the final piece is, so you've got this really neat technology, why is it different? It's not the beauty of the technology, it's the beauty of the difference it makes to the solution. And can you get things articulated in those terms?